Hello, if you want to cast YouTube app to your TV on POCO X7 Pro, then it is actually pretty simple. Once you open the YouTube app, all you need to do is find this icon over here that looks like TV with a Wi-Fi. You can tap on it in order to open the menu where you can select the device, and you can either link with TV code or you can try to read a little bit more about this feature. Now, of course, as you can see, it is searching for all available devices. Ideally, you want to make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi on both your phone as well as your TV. And of course, in case you have any issues, try to link it with the TV code. Now, this main page of YouTube is not the only place where you can try to connect with the TV. You can also just open any video that you wish to play, and then you can still find this icon over here in the top right corner, pretty much in the same spot. And if you open full screen, you should be able to also find it, even if you rotate. Well, in this case, I cannot really rotate, but still in the top right corner of your screen, you should be able to find the cast button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.